We are here. Grabe yung tinahak namin. Diyan sa castle na yan. And now, I think we can go there. Diyan. This is Sintra. It's here? No? Let's go. So, try natin to. This is called Travesero. Traditional dessert in Sintra. Try natin. What's inside that? Huh?
Egg.
Egg. So there's egg inside.
You don't feel egg cream?
I don't feel. Diba? Kalat. Kalat ng pagkain to.
$2,000 years later.
So we're here, Palacio Nacional de Sintra. Ito yung may dalawang puti na pinapakita ko kanina. Okay. This is Sintra. So we are here at Palacio Nacional de Sintra. Okay. Okay. This is the stairs. I think we're alone. Where is the first? Sit here? Ah, okay. Okay, obrigada. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. Yeah, but look at the chandelier. Papakanta na naman ako ng siya nito. Chandelier. Oh. Okay. So let's go out here, love. Wow. Okay. So I'm just going to show you the view outside. And this is the room, I think. Oh, cuarto de cama. Bedroom. Wow.
It's like the furniture from Mala.
Yeah, we have like that. Oh, chandelier again. See ya. Look at that bedroom. Cuarto de toilet. It's a dressing room. Oh, chandelier na naman. Talagang yayamanin ng chandelier dito. Alababo nila ganyan. Tapos doon sila CCR. Ayan, may butas. Oh. Diba? Taray. And this one is ambiente decorativo. Interior decor. Look at this. Qual licença, meu amor? Sala. Ito siya dati. Ito na siya ngayon. Wow. Look at that. Ayan yung upuan. Ito pa rin siya. Diba? Yeah, casa de baño. Oo, diba? Yeah, ganyan yung bathtub nila noon. Diba? Kakaiba. Wardrobe. Guardaropa. Oh, dyan nagaganap ng mga damitan. Wardrobe. This one looks like a music room.
It's
Careful.
to dance.
To dance? Like a music? Dito nagaganap ang mga sayawan ng mga hari at reyna. Ayan, dito sila nagsasayaw ng mga tinikling. Ayan. Look at the view, guys, from outside. Ayan ang view sa labas. Palobat na ako pero sana makunan ko lahat. Grabe, naubos yung battery ko. Dami kong video kanina. Ayan. Dito sumasabit si Sia. Sa chandelier. Oh, Saladus. Cisnesh. Snows Hall. Oh, ayan. Ayan sila. Ayan sila sumasayaw. Oh, another bedroom. Oh. Ayan ang baul. Charot. This is a wardrobe, they said. This mga books, oh. Sala. Dash Kalish. Gallery Romagin. Ayan, oh. Kasi yung may ligda sa mga tiles na painting. I mean, painted tiles. Ayan. Very Portuguese yan. Kaya yung mga lumang bahay dito, minsan ganyan pa rin ang ang design ng bahay. Yung mga painted tiles. Look at that. Ayan, tsaka yung mga plato-plato na yan. Very Portuguese yan. Ayan, here's the view. Very careful. I've been there. Okay. Jardín do Príncipe. Oh, there's a Prince Garden. Ayan. Oh, ayan ka makikita nyo. I cannot see, but yeah. This is a Prince Garden. Jardín do Príncipe. Let's see on the second floor. Let's see if we can see here. Oh, yeah, pasulyap-sulyap lang tayo sa garden ng Prinsipe. So guys, this is the garden of Prinsipe. Ayan yung garden niya. Wow. Can I see the whole thing? So I'm just here from the window, from the top. Memory. Ayan sila. Mga king. And this is the queen. And this is the garden of the prince. Ayan, tingnan natin ano to. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, crazy beautiful. They are really crazy on painted tiles. Look at that. Grabe. Nakapangilabot. Wow. Another bedroom. Bebe, I'm gonna buy a bed like this in our room, huh? Yeah.
Oh, it's like, it's not straight anymore.
What?
The poles.
The what?
The poles are like,
Of course. So, this is when the magic happens, love. Yeah, when the magic happens. Where the magic happens, yeah. Look at that. Very beautiful. With the Portugal flag. Okay. Look, love. There's a... Oh, do you know that?
what I know.
This one. The house.
Yeah, we know that last time.
It's like Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Ito panay bubong. Panay bubong lang makikita niya dyan.
Actually,
Ah!
it's not. It's why you passed.
Where you what?
When you die, maybe.
Really?
To do the ceremony.
Really? That's
And
the bed.
You can leave.
OMG.
Oh, here. Funeral ceremony.
Oh my gosh. Funeral ceremonies. This is where they lay?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ayan. Kapag namatay daw, dyan daw nilalagay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You are thinking you can.
Yeah. Lobat. Lobat na ako. Pero dyan daw hinihimlay yung mga patay. Yun dito. Ayan yun eh. Oh my gosh. Kala ko dito nagaganap ang mga tsurbahan. Chat. Where the magic happens, hindi pala. Kaya pala may kandila dito. That's why there's a candle here, love. Oh. Meron chapel dito. Yeah, it says there, a chapel. Yan. Diyan yung mga judges. Charot, di ko alam. So, dito daw yung parang court. Council, it says. Casa do Conselho. The Cozina. Look at that, guys. Ito nagaganap ang mga luto-lutuan. Yan, nandyan ang oven. Kita nyo yan. Palaki yan ng ano. Yes, they are cooking a lot here.
Like crazy.
Of course. Oh, kita nyo yan. Yan. Kusina lang to, guys. Oh. Diuling pa yan, diuling. Ganun siya ngayon. Lobat na ako, pero buti hindi pa namamatay ang cellphone ko. Ayan. Ayan. Diyan sila nagluluto. Ayan. And this one is, I don't know. This is the outside. I don't know what is it. That's the flag of Portugal. Yan ang palasyo. Oh, cafeteria. House Jardins. No. This is the exit. So this is the whole thing. This is the outside of the palacio. Para siyang garden. So guys, this is the full palace. Nalobat na yung phone ko kaya nanghiram na ako kay Habi. Continuation lang to. Pauwi na rin kami. Yan kami galing sa loob, sa palasyo. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Guys, it's on the other side. Yan, makikita yung dalawang triangle na kanina pa ko pa binivideo. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung dito. I think there's a garden here. Because ang daming tao dito eh. Ayan, oh. Aww. Ayan. Yan yung palace. Ba, yan ang pangit ng ko dito. Wait, let's see. Pababa ako. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito kasi ang daming lovebirds dito. Anong meron dito? Wala naman. Ito talagang mga lovebirds na to. Napaprang tuloy ako eh. Ayan. Para siyang Cascais vibes. Grabe, ang lamig dito, guys. Hindi kami aware. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Hindi kami aware ni Habi na ang lamig pala. Diyos mio. Ako'y naka-leggings lang. Ayan o, yung dalawang triangle na yan. Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Na lobat na ako. Ay, grabe. Aga namin nandito. It's a long day for us. Ang ganda, ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Asawa ko naghihintay na sa akin. Grabe. Ganda dito. Babalik kami dito for sure kasi marami pa kaming dinapuntahan. Let's go, love. Vamos. Vamos em casa. Vamos para casa. Okay. Bye guys. Kailangan na naming gamitin ng GPS. Kasi hindi namin alam papuntang station. Magkalakad lang kami. Ciao! Thank you for watching. Wow. Just get straight. Ayan no. There's a bus there.
Just like an angel.
Like an angel daw.
Your skin makes me
I know that song. And then, dun, 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 dun.
you float like a banner.
Ciao, Sintra. Babalik kami dito, for sure yan. So much special. I know that. I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.